Hey, gearheads! Today, we're taking a closer look at a beast of a machine, the 2024 Ford F650. This isn't your average pickup truck. This is a heavy-duty workhorse built for the toughest jobs. The F650 is legendary for its durability and capability. It's built on a high-strength steel frame and can handle a gross vehicle weight rating, GVWR, of up to 37,000 pounds. That means it can haul serious cargo, whether it's a flatbed full of construction materials or a trailer full of heavy equipment. A 7.3 liters V8 gas engine that produces 350 horsepower and 464 pounds-feet of torque. A 6.7 liters Powerstroke V8 turbo diesel engine that delivers 330 horsepower and a monstrous 750 pounds-feet of torque. No matter which engine you choose, the F650 is ready to tackle any challenge. It comes with a heavy-duty 10-speed automatic transmission and a choice of single or dual rear axles. You can also opt for a 4-wheel drive system for even more traction in tough conditions. Even though it's a work truck, the F650 doesn't skimp on comfort. The interior is spacious and well-appointed, with features like air conditioning, a tilt and telescoping steering wheel, and power windows and locks. There's also plenty of storage space for your tools and gear. The F650 is also available with a variety of tech features to help you stay safe and productive on the job. These include the 2024 Ford F650 is a no-nonsense truck that's built to get the job done. If you need a truck that can handle the toughest tasks, the F650 is the perfect choice. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look at the 2024 Ford F650. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more truck content. Feel free to add your own personal touches to the script, such as your own experiences with the F650 or other heavy-duty trucks.